Ben Maddox here for Johnson RV. Today we are taking pleasure in one of our best pre-owned coaches on the lot. This is what we specialize in. We are America's largest pre-owned motorized store in the country. Pretty awesome. So today we're looking at a prime example. This is our 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer. This is a 36 triple slide DBT. So this is full body paint on the outside. Beautiful color. This is your automotive style paint, so it's going to look much newer, longer than your white gel coat with decals. On the outside, some key things we need to pay attention to. It is built on your Ford F53 chassis. It's got your big block Triton V10 motor, so great for getting over the mountain, great for hauling, rated at 5,000 pounds for towing. You do have integrated side view cameras built into your mirrors, backup camera as well. Your wheels are the Alcoa aluminum wheels, so a milled wheel, much truer ride. For Class A's in this size on a gas chassis, this has one of the most outside storage I've ever seen. So I definitely want to show you how much outside storage and highlight how much this has. So it has these nice big swing away doors, which you typically only see like on your big diesel coaches. And you can see it passes all the way through, so it goes over the frame of the chassis. Okay, and then before we get too far, there is an option on this model for an outside entertainment. So you can put the power awning out, hang out on the patio, barbecue, watch the big game, have your neighbors over. Great for entertaining. And these are slam latches, so all you do is just throw those shut and they're good to go. There's the outside of your furnace right there. So remember I said it's got a lot of storage? Look at all this storage. Just keeps on going. And then in the back, you have pass-through storage as well. So on the other side, obviously you've got utilities. So those are some of your key things you're gonna have in your driver's side when you pull up to your campground. There's your tow hitch, which is rated at 5,000 pounds. You do have a ladder extension to be able to get up on the roof to do some maintenance and cleaning. So in the other side of the pass-through storage, you've got your main shore power connection, which is a 50 amp service power. So big enough for your 2 AC units. There is a automatic surge protector inside as well, so you don't have to plug in one of those externally. There's your utilities, so dump station, low point drain valves, city water connection, auxiliary hose connection, really nice. You've got more receptacles, you have a black tank flush, water pump access and water filter access all in one simple place. Generator is in the back. This is your 5,500 watt quiet gas generator, so more than enough to power this size of an RV, let alone a small city. Still moving down the driver's side here, you've got more storage. You do have central vacuum, which is one of the best features about having a Class A motorhome, is it's easy to clean all that vinyl floor that you have. More storage there. Propane system and a lot of your relay switches, so electrical service center. And then these are just the other side of your pass-through storage compartments, which come all the way through. So tons of outside storage. All right, so let's go take a look at the inside of this beautiful 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer. Hey guys, Ben Maddox here again for Johnson RV. We are now inside this gorgeous 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer, 36-footer, triple slide. This is the perfect model for those of you who want the luxury of a Class A diesel motorhome if you're going to be living in it or for staying in it for a long period of time but don't want the heavy price tag of a diesel pusher. So this has a lot of the same features. So if you know the Monaco Holiday Rambler brand, they use very nice finishes, a lot of great materials. Up front, what's nice about the Class A's is you obviously get this big experience of the windshield, big side view, windows and mirrors. And then this had an optional feature for a front table, so you can spin both these seats around, eat right up here, your entertainment's right across from you. Standard Ford cab and chassis. It does have the integrated side view cameras and backup cameras built into your in-dash stereo system, and then all of your standard switches in terms of being able to jump, you know, the house or chassis battery from your house battery, generator switch, your blinds, all of that in one simple place. So moving into the living area, so kitchen and sitting, eating area is going to be opposing from you. So you've got these big opposing slides, which give you a lot of open space. You've got a dance floor here. So 4-door, 3-way fridge, lots of counter space, 3-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave oven, 2 double stainless steel sink here, stainless steel faucet, lots of storage all throughout the kitchen. As I said, your entertainment is going to be opposing from those seats, but obviously you can sit at the couch as well. You can sit at the dinette booth as well. Both of these are going to convert into beds if you do need extra sleeping for people that are going to be traveling along with you from time to time. Lots of storage up above. Very nice wood finishes all throughout the house, real solid wood cabinetry. Padded vinyl ceiling, so it's soft and it keeps the acoustic level down, adds some insulation. All LED lights will low draw on your battery. 2 furnaces, 2 AC units. It's ducted all throughout, so it keeps the temperature nice and even keeled. A little bit more storage there, access to your fuse panel and breaker panel, so that's definitely the first place you want to go if you lose power anywhere. Right here you have a centrally located control panel which has everything from your hot water heater to water pump to slide controls, your power control management system so you can do your auto gen start. Inverter on board is going to be a 1000 watt inverter. And this is your climate control system right here. The DVT, this is your bath and a half floor plan. So if you do have guests staying with you, or if you just like having some extra space, this is a huge half bathroom. So you've got tons of storage here, lots of space to be able to maneuver in here. Check out how much counter space you have, storage space, vanity, all of that. So great second bathroom. Okay, and then moving back into the bedroom area, central vacuum connection is right there. Big wardrobe, which in this particular one has your stackable washer dryer. So for those of you who are going to be staying in it long term or living in it full time, it's already set up for it. Queen bed, nightstands on both sides with outlets as well, reading lights as well, nice headboard. Check this out, you got some nice little storage there for your shoes so they're out of the way. Place second TV right there. Big wardrobe, lots of drawers down below for storage as well. And then the master bathroom. So moving back into the master bathroom, it's got a nice Tekka electric toilet, so similar to the ones that you're going to see on the airplanes, has that same sound to it, just sucks it right out. Big shower with a glass door, double stainless steel sinks, lots of vanity space up above. This really is set up for residential living, guys. So if you're looking for a great coach at an inexpensive price that is very livable, this is the right coach for you guys. So again, this is our 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36 DBT. You got to come in to check it out to appreciate how nice this coach is. And when you come and check it out, make sure you ask for Ben.